It's snoring. Can you hear that?
She won't eat it whole, but she'll eat
That's what happens when you play hard. Shh.
Sit.
Snoring like a person.
Emma, you gotta sit up. Hey.
Did you find everything?
Yeah, I got the cutting board, white bowl, and the potatoes in front of the door, the trash can. Hey, you gotta get up, dog. Come on, you want the rest of this? No more.
The potatoes need to get rinsed. If you could do that. I need a plastic shopping bag so I can trim off what I need to and put it in the trash can or in a bag. Just want to do it out here.
On the wash side because nothing
I
can
know.
be